welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, it is Thrift-A-Bag day. This is one of my favorite subscriptions to open for you guys. It is always so much fun. I love it. But first, let me say welcome. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, from accessories to beauty to candles to snacks to lifestyle, everything. We do it all here. Plus live streams, giveaways, product reviews, all kinds of fun stuff. So if you love it, this is a channel that you would enjoy, I promise. So, and welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. I love you guys. So, October 2019, Thrift-A-Bag. Y'all, let me first go over a little bit about what Thrift-A-Bag is, just in case you do not know. It is a monthly subscription, obviously, and it is a handbag and purse accessory subscription. You treat yourself to stylish handbags. Prices start at $45 a month. I do have a promo code, which is SNMOM, to save you $5 off your first box. So, the box will arrive at your door containing 3 pre-owned or new bags. Each handbag is picked from local thrift stores, then cleaned and curated for you. Boxes will include a variety of styles such as totes, clutches, shoulder, wristlets, cosmetic case, wallets, backpacks, and more. I've even received a lunch tote, a Kate Spade lunch tote that was adorable. You could receive brands such as Coach, Michael Kors, Betsy Johnson, Calvin Klein, The Sack, Macy's, Kate Spade, Dana Buchman, Dooney and Bourke, Vera Bradley, Steve Madden, Nine West, and many more. So, it is amazing, you guys. I will put a link and that coupon code down below if you have not yet signed up. With Christmas coming up, this is a great way to treat yourself and potentially get some gifts to give to others. So keep that in mind as well. So I've actually already kind of taken everything out of the box, and I can kind of see, but I don't know the full details. I have the paper here, so we will go over this. But one thing I also want to tell you guys is she always includes a little gift bag in case one of the bags isn't really your style, or just something that you think someone else would really enjoy. You have a bag to gift a bag. So I love that touch. I think it is so amazing. But let's see what it says here. All right, so it goes over the bag, so I don't want to read that too much yet. But I do want to say that with Thrift-A-Bag, just so you guys know, it is a one-woman show. When we talk about Boss Babe, this is Boss Babe, okay? She's doing this by herself. It is solely her. She is amazing. She is a power seller on eBay, so that guy should tell you something. This started as a hobby for her, and you can fill out a style profile when you sign up for Thrift-A-Bag. But it is also, don't forget, it is a subscription, and sometimes with subscriptions you have that element of surprise. So you can, like I said, let her know some of what you like, but again, there may be times that you get something that isn't exactly your taste, and that's why she gives you the gift bag. If you know someone else who might enjoy it, then you have a gift. Also, don't expect, this is one thing, because I did, let's say, obviously Michael Kors, Coach, things like that. Don't expect that every single month, that you're going to receive 3, luxury brand of purses. You're going to receive brand name purses, but they may not necessarily always be luxury, like designer handbags. So I just want to kind of put that out there just so you guys know what to expect. But I also want to say it never disappoints. This subscription is so amazing. I don't know how she does it, but she does an amazing job. So let's get to what we got for October 2019. So the first one listed here, that's this guy. I recognize this guy. This is the Vince Camuto Vegan Leather Stripe Luck Tote. Right here. I recognize this guy because there was a time that you could actually get this from FabFitFun. And if I remember correctly, this had a value of over $100. And so it has the handles here and there. You can see where it says Vince Camuto. Here it has this strap or stripe, this gray stripe. Inside there is like this little pocket right here. And then it's really just open. It's kind of more suede on the inside, but you guys, can you see? This actually lists as pre-owned. Would you know that from looking at this? I certainly wouldn't. This looks brand new. I love this so much. So, Vince Camuto, off to a great start for October. All right, so the next one is this guy right here. And this is a Coach metallic berry pebbled leather belt bag. So this is what it looks like. That is so gorgeous, and that color is so appropriate for fall. So you obviously could wear this as like a belt bag. You could wear this as like almost like a crossbody if you want, if you will. But it does have that, which is definitely unique. I think, again, it is gorgeous. These colors, or this color, is just absolutely stunning. And again, this one is listed as pre-owned, but you guys, there's not a mark on it. Isn't it gorgeous? And when you open it, there you have all the actual Coach information. And then this side has a couple little slots. So this is definitely something great to have, I think, especially this time of year, because there are so many different activities that you're going to, you know, like the fair, different, you know, pumpkin patches, and even trick-or-treating, or just different events. And I think it would be really awesome to have something like this that you could just put your phone, and you've got some slots for maybe like your ID and a credit card or some money, and you can go and do what you need to. And again, it's Coach and it's gorgeous. So there is that one. And then the last one for this month is the Steve Madden Adrian Floral Multifunctional Tote. And this is actually brand new. This still has the tags. So you do sometimes get brand new purses, brand new items, different things. So this is really pretty. And oh my gosh, it is like, this is stunning. Like, just so stunning. And as you can see, it does still have the tags on it, and you can see the value right there. It has like a lock right here. There is a, oh, this is, wait, what is this called? Functional tote. Oh, this is, y'all, this is awesome. Okay, so when you actually look inside, it says private, there's a zipper part, it says tech, and then there's this big pocket, and then it says phone. I don't know that you're gonna be able to see. Then it says phone down here, so a place for your phone, other tech, and then on this side, oh, this says shoes, and there's two like drawstring pouches there. This is awesome. There's a thing in here like you could clip your keys. What is this? Okay, so this you could use, it's still wrapped up with the cardboard there. You could clip, there's things here on the side, so you could carry it that way. Y'all, this is amazing. This is like so different. So yeah, that's awesome. So there's the back, there's the front. That is awesome. And then, like I said, this is brand new, but this, again, this isn't just like a regular purse. This is something great, you know, if you need to carry things to work or to school, different things. This is awesome, and it's gorgeous. And this, because with the black background, even with the pink, I feel like is something that would work year round. I think this is amazing. And I really, really like this. It even has the little feet on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it getting dirty. Thing is, I personally don't really have a use for this guy right here. So, yeah, okay, so like a clip for keys, phone pocket, zip pocket, padded tablet pocket, the 2 shoe pockets. So it definitely tells you multi-pocket shoe tote. So yeah, there's so many things you could do with this. But like I said, I really don't need this. I mean, I have quite a few totes and duffel bags and different things. And being that this is brand new, how about we do a giveaway? What do you guys think? So, if you would like to win this beautiful, brand new, valued at $108, Steve Madden multi-purpose tote that is so awesome with all the different compartments and everything, I'm going to go over some rules. So, I'm just like in awe of this. I wish I had like a way or reason to really use this, but I know that I just wouldn't give it as much love as it deserves. So hopefully one of you guys will. So we are going to do a giveaway with this guy. So obviously you need to be subscribed to my channel, because that is why I do the giveaways, to give back and show you guys how much I appreciate you and all of your support. So that is obviously rule number 1. You must be subscribed to my channel. Please like this video. Now I am going to ask for 2 different things. They will get you bonus entries. One is to go follow me over on Instagram at southernmom521. The other is to please go to the Thrift-A-Bag, either their Facebook page, their Instagram, or even on Cratejoy, and like Thrift-A-Bag. So if it's on Instagram, Facebook, or Cratejoy, because they are listed through Cratejoy, please go over and like Thrift-A-Bag. Also, this will be a US only, so you need to have a US shipping address. You know what? No, we'll do international. It's fine. We'll do international. So, I'm trying to think, because that's obviously spur of the moment. So, you must be subscribed to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please have, please be over the age of 18 or have a parent's permission. This is going to be open international, so anyone can enter and win. And then, like I said, for bonus entries, please go over and follow me on Instagram. I do post, anytime I post a new video on YouTube, I post there. And I do post some of my, just personal life, so we could get to know each other. Let's be friends. So that would get you a bonus entry, as well as following Thrift-A-Bag on their social media. That would be another bonus entry. Now, I will be using a random comment picker. I will be able to put in things for the bonus entries. And today is October 8th. So we will let this run for 1 month till November 8th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The following day, November 9th, I will use a random comment picker and I will reply to the winner's comment and pin their comment to let them know that they have won. They will have 48 hours to contact me with their shipping information. Otherwise, I will choose another winner. So if you have any questions, please leave it down below. Also down below, please let me know your Instagram handle if you have followed me so that I can obviously count that as a bonus entry. And tell me your favorite, let's see. I want you guys, because I want to get to know you guys a little better. I want to get to know each of you a little bit better. So tell me your favorite, I don't want to do the whole like enter me. Just tell me your favorite fall treat. And it could be a Halloween candy. It could be pie. It could be whatever, you know, I mean, it could be a turkey. Just whatever your favorite, or so I guess not treat. So just your favorite fall food. Just tell me down below. And to think of something on the spur of the moment. Again, I apologize. So just to recap, because I know it is kind of, like I said, it was spur of the moment. So, you must be subscribed to my channel. Please like this video. For bonus entries, you can follow me, Southern Mom 521 on Instagram and Thrift-A-Bag on any of their social media. Also, be at least 18 or have a parent's permission. Leave a comment down below with your favorite fall food. And then again, this is going to run from October 8th to November 8th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. The following day, I will use a random comment picker to choose our winner of this gorgeous Steve Madden bag. So good luck to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.